Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the important forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD Japanese Yen for 2nd March 2021, Tuesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis, but this analysis is for today only. Okay, and as you can see on the screen, USD Japanese Yen is right now trading at 106.91. Okay, so and the market is a beautiful uptrend, but the fact is that we cannot go ahead and take the trade right now because it is not matching our area of value. Okay, area of value is necessary for a trader because uh, it's a part of the discipline of a trader, and discipline is very important for a trader because it helps us to stay afloat on the market. If we compromise our discipline, one day or the other we'll be losing capital and ultimately we'll blow off our account. Okay, so discipline is required. So our area of value will be around this 50 period moving average. Okay. If market starts coming down to consolidate a little or to just cool off, okay, then if we get in and around the 50 period moving average, then it will be the area of value. Okay, and on the other hand, you can also see that I'm using stochastic RSI indicator, and stochastic RSI indicator is also moving towards the overbought zone. Right now, it is trading at around 69.70. So this is not the area of value for us. So area of value will be, as mentioned earlier, uh, in and around this 50 moving average. Suppose market starts going down a little bit to rest, and if it's bounces from the 50 moving average or it starts getting some price rejection from below after hitting the 50 MA, then it's a good place to buy. On the other hand, if you see that market is not going down to the 50 MA and it is moving up like this, okay, in that case what you can do is that you just wait for stochastic RSI to go to the oversold zone. Once it goes to the oversold zone, then eventually after some time it will go up again. Okay, then also you can go ahead and place the buy order. But right now it is in and around 70-75. Okay, 70-75 is not an ideal place to buy. Okay, just wait for some time, let the price come to the 50 moving average, or if it doesn't come, then then let the stochastic RSI go to the oversold zone, and from there let it move towards the overbought zone. Okay, let it move from here to here, then you can place the buy order. Okay, otherwise wait for some time. Okay. Beautiful uptrend, undoubtedly. So this is the simple analysis of USD Japanese Yen for 2nd March 2021 Tuesday. Okay, and hopefully you have understood. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you would like to know the analysis of other currency pairs, then please check my YouTube playlist. Okay, I have a separate playlist called Forex Analysis. You can check the analysis of other currency pairs for today. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.